Hello YouTube, I thought I'd come on and give another video on travel essentials. Well, what's essential to me. You might find some of these things may be essential for you as well. First, I want to start off with some type of gimbal for you to put your phone on if you like to shoot videos or take pictures. This is a vlog pocket to use when I'm on my trip to do videos or pictures. And then I also have a selfie stick that also turns into a tripod that has a Bluetooth remote control to it that I love to use. Sometimes you may want to use, this is Pop by Pop Voice, a little microphone when you're on different trips trying to record to get the sound to sound better. I don't know. The older I get, the more clean freak I become, I guess, when I'm on trips. I usually take a thing of wipes to wipe down the surfaces, remote control, door handles, light switches. That comes in very handy. And now I come across these cool little tubes to where you can pack travel size perfumes or whatever type of sprays you like to use. I put perfumes in these different perfumes that I like, and how you fill them is through this bottom part. You put it on top of your big bottle of perfume. You take the little sprayer part off and you put this on there and just pump it up and down, and it fills this bottle, and you can see in the little window how much you put in there. So these gonna come in real handy when flying again, because you know you can only have so many ounces, and a lot of times I don't check bags. So if you're anything like me and don't check bags, those will come in handy. And then I bought some other ones. These are made a little different, several different colors. And you actually put this on the bottle to fill these bottles, because they don't have the little spout on the bottom. You just take all of this apart and you actually fill the bottle. These are actually glass bottles. And this here, I filled it with Lysol. Since Lysol is not in the stores anymore, I figured this would be a great little size bottle of Lysol to take with me when traveling. Of course, hand sanitizers. I love to have hand sanitizer all the time to clean my hands. I just bought me a nice little selfie clip to start doing my selfies with, so I'll have a little light on it. It's pretty cool. And today I found these. These are beautiful. At Marshall's, I was looking for something to put my liquid hand soap in, and I found this little set, and it comes with 3 bottles, and it has this little bag, and it has labels that came with it. And this is what the bottles look like out of the bag. This closes tight. You can untwist it when you're ready to use it. I just put my own label on there of what I actually put in them. Also, don't forget your plug, because a lot of times when you go places, cruise ships, some like the train and different places, they only have one outlet. This will create you more than one outlet for USB, since a lot of items are USB now. And I'll also take a, let me find it, little stitcher cord like this, one of these little boxes. And I have another longer one that I use for places where the plug is only in one location and you need multiple plugs, and then you want it in another area. And since it be hot and I like going to amusement parks and things, I have a neck fan now. It's beautiful. I love it. It has lights. It also has 3 different speeds for the air. You cannot forget Headgear. I love making my hair look a little different, you know, with the natural. Put the little head bands on to match something on my outfit. And I love that. Of course, now with the Rona, everybody got to have your mask. Bring your different types. This one has the filter. This one is just a cloth one. And I have many other different kinds to use on trips. Laundry bag. This is a nice little handy laundry bag. It just zips into its own pocket. You unfold it and it becomes this nice little laundry bag. So, see the little pocket on the front? This is what you can put different stuff in when you're going to do your laundry, when you're out traveling. Yes, I do laundry when I am traveling because I don't like to bring home a bunch of dirty clothes. And I don't want dirty clothes in my suitcase most of the time. Now, I done got a little better at it. When I take a little short trip, I'll go on and put the dirty clothes in this dirt laundry bag and bring it back like that in my suitcase. Here's a portable battery that you can charge your devices like your phone, your earphones, or camera, or whatever you may need to charge that has a USB charger. This works wonderful. Of course, earbuds, Bluetooth. I have several different types of earphones. Bluetooth, the big old school ones, they work good. These were Bluetooth, but some reason it doesn't do the Bluetooth anymore. And then your regular earbuds that you can use, because you never know when your Bluetooth won't want to work when you need it to. If you get seasick or motion sickness, make sure you bring some C-bands. They come in a cute little case like this. I believe I ordered mine off of Amazon when I got them. They work perfect on the cruises because taking the medication sometimes can make you feel sleepy. But these just fit on your wrist. This little part fits in this part of your wrist. And they actually work really, really fast. I try to do anything that's not medication if I possibly can. Then I also found these today. Pressure-inducing corded earbud plugs. And they come in a cute little case. And these will be good for when you're on the airplane. Try to keep them ears from popping. I have not tried them yet because I just found those today. And I plan on trying them one day soon on a flight. Of course, I try to bring a little manicure set with me in case I need to cut my fingernails or clip a hangnail or anything like that. And sometimes the little cuticle clippers are good source of like a scissor. I always bring a longer cord for my phone so it can reach to the bed when I'm sleeping if places only have a plug that's not near the bed. Plus, I bring this part too in case they don't have USB plug for me to use. I always like to bring a neck pillow because it's always so comfy to be able to lay back and just relax with a neck pillow. Let's see, compression socks. I try to bring compression socks now because sometimes my feet swell when riding and flying. I guess that's part of getting older. And then I bring a case, something similar to this or something else. I put my like chargers, earbuds, and this external battery in. All of those things can fit in here. So when I put them in my backpack, I just have to grab this and I don't have to worry about losing different pieces because they're all inside of this case. And you all don't forget your medication. I always make sure you got your medication when you're going places. I also love these bags here. They're for your shoes to keep from getting other things in your suitcase dirty. So I try to bring some type of Crocs or imitation Crocs. I also have Crocs too. But because I don't like to walk on floors without something on my feet. So, and these are good for when you're getting out the shower to use, as well as I am packing shower shoes whenever I take a train ride so that I won't get my feet messed up in case there's something inside of there, you know, in the shower. Also, I found these cute little bags. I don't know if it was Marshalls or Ross. Nice, very nice. Instead of always using Ziploc bags or something like that, throwaway bags, these are reusable and they are the size that you're supposed to have, the quart size bag for traveling on airplanes. So I put toiletries and things in this a lot of times just to keep them all together and they don't spill because it zips up And you can wipe this clean and reuse over and over and over again. So I believe that's going to be about almost the end of my video. Also, I want to show you all this. I always bring a sweater, jacket, or something. And this is actually a nice little clip I bought from, I believe, Ross. It was Ross or Marshalls, one of the two. But it just clips on. I can either clip it on my backpack. Right now it's clipped on the backpack. Or clip it on a suitcase. And it holds your sweater. So you don't have to try to put it inside your bag and take up more space. And it just hangs there nicely. And don't forget your luggage tags. I always find cute luggage tags to put your information on. This is the luggage tags I got from Tuesday morning. If you have a Tuesday morning, these are really cute. It was a set of 2, and I put that on my backpack to have my name and stuff. And I also sometimes I include my email address, so I can even be emailed. And then these little handle wipes, they hand cleaning wipes. But this little cute set I actually got from my son's college, Sam Houston State. When they were having an event, they were giving those out. So they come in handy for cleaning your hands and hanging on the bag. And then this right here, it has become something that I need to take with me. If you have migraines and you don't like taking medicine, or that doesn't always help you, this is a non-medicated way to treat your migraines. My doctor gave this to me, and it's really nice. It's Cefaly, C-E-F-A-L-Y. It puts like impulses on your head to help stimulate the migraine. And it stimulates all throughout. It's a rechargeable. It comes with its own little case, own battery. And you have these little pads, electrode pads, that you put on your forehead. And then after you put this on your forehead, you stick this to it, and it just operates. And when you're having a migraine, it works for an hour. If you're trying to prevent migraines, you use it in 20-minute increments for prevention. And it actually works really good. I really have enjoyed using that. So now it is a priority to me for me to take it on my trips. And one other thing I want to show. Oh, water bottles. I love to have some type of water bottle because I like to have cold water or something cold to drink. I like to have ice, and this thing is good because it closes good. It has this little clip part that I can hold, push button, and it's just nice. It keeps it, like, even if you turn it upside down, it doesn't leak. So I love it a lot. So until next time, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day.